Top 8 Education Institute of United States. Create your future in tech degrees in technology. From programming to development channel your passion for technology into a career path, earn a technology degree and see how you can take part in this evolving industry. Accelerated degrees. Bloomberg Philanthropies Education in America. Our education program expands college access to talented lower income students. Learn more about broadening educational opportunities. St. Mary's College KSOE, be a leader in education. We believe leadership is based on relationships and influencing others to collaborate, connect. Take our geek quiz. Earn your degree in CS, Newmont College. See if you are a good fit for Newmont's project-based learning were not your typical 265 top ranked universities in United States master portal. Some of the best highest ranked institutions are in the United States. Throughout the world, their colleges and schools have a wide reputation inviting. 200 2022 Best National Universities US News Rankings. Best National Universities Rankings. To unlock full rankings, SAT, ACT scores and more, sign up for the US News College Compass Summary. Best Universities in the United States 2022 Times Higher Education. Compare 181 US universities and colleges ranking in THE's highly respected league. At the heart of the US college rankings is the student survey. Ranked. The top 100 universities in the USA. The state with the most schools featured in New York, followed by California. The university or college you choose to go to can have a major impact on the rest. College and university rankings in the United States. Wikipedia. US News and World Report Best Colleges Ranking in 1983. US News and World Report published its first America's Best Colleges report. en.m.wikipedia.org. Higher Education in the United States. Wikipedia. It covers stages 5 to 8 on the International ISCED 2011 scale. It's delivered at 4036 Title IV degree granting institutions known as colleges or universities. Welcome to the University at Buffalo. University at Buffalo. Explore New York's #1 public university. The University at Buffalo offers superior academics, a life-changing student experience, and true affordability.